Train's coming. Gonna go across this little trestle here. I'm in the bushes. I'm not anywhere on that, so just to let y'all know, I'm not trying to trespass on the CSX property. It'd be a good view to get the train going down here. There's a bridge you can stand on and look up here and see that trestle. Get it going across there, but I also wanted to get a good clear shot, so that's why I came up here. You can see the lights. Here earlier today. Didn't get to catch it on video because as soon as I pulled in down here, train came and didn't have enough time to get the camera out. I can't tell if this is a loaded coal or an empty coal. That's loaded coal. Could be the branch line train from yesterday on the Loop Creek. May not be, might be from somewhere else. Sorry about bad camera work. When I'm zoomed in, it's real shaky like.